In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own logo using Microsoft Office Word. And to do that, we are going to use only two tools, that is Shapes and WordArt. Before we get into it, let me show you the outcome of our work. So we have a circular shape which we will import from Insert, and we also have this gene which we have used WordArt to insert. The upper left hand side of the gene is hidden or is at the back of this rectangular shape of the circle. And the name of the business is General Company Limited, which is also a WordArt text. So this is what we'll get at the end of this tutorial coming up. Hello guys, welcome back to yet another Microsoft Office Word tutorials. If you are new to this channel, this is Office Online Teacher, where I help you manage your data and information through online video just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Without wasting further time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so having launched Microsoft Office Word, I'll go to Insert, Shapes, then under Basic Shapes, I'll grab Not Allowed symbol. Click on it. Hold down the mouse and drag to the size you want. However, if you need a perfect circle, you need to hold down Shift on the keyboard. So I'll do that, and you will get a perfect circle with the same radius or diameter. So this is the size I want. Now release the mouse and release Shift. Okay. I'll position it well. Then I'll go to Shape Fill. I want to make it white. Then Shape Outline, I need it black. Then the outline, I will change the weight to 1.5. Alright. Now the next thing I'm going to do is insert a WordArt. So go to Insert, WordArt under Text Group. Click on it. And I'll choose the first one. So I'll enter Gene. Increase the size by selecting the text box, or you can just highlight it from here. Then go to Home, increase font size. So click on it till you get the size you want. Alright, I want it to be able to fit very well in the inner circle here, starting from this point to this point. Now I'll change the font to Georgia. So I'll just type it in. Georgia is here, then click on it. Okay. Now I'll select the text box and drag it to fit very well. So this is how I want it. I'll release the mouse. Now I want it in such a way that this part of the gene will be hidden under this bar of the circle. So to do that, I'll go to Insert, Shapes, then I'll grab Rectangle. Then I will just draw a rectangle to whatever size. I can resize it later. Okay, so I will rotate it by clicking on the rotate symbol here. Just click on it, then go down small. Okay, so I want it to hide that part, this part of the gene. So I'll go to Shape Fill, I'll take white, and then Shape Outline, I'll choose No Outline. So I'll just place it very well. And then I'll increase the size from here. Okay, I'll click aside to check. Okay, I can still reduce the size from here. Click aside to check. Think it's perfect. I can rotate this small a little bit. Alright, now let me zoom in so that I'll be able to see the shape clearly. So from here I can also increase the size small. That is perfect. Alright, so that this part of the gene is being hidden. So you see that the gene is sort of inside this rectangular shape of the circle. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do is I will zoom out so that I'll see the design clearly. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I want to write a text here. That is the name of the company. I want to put it here. So I'll go back to Insert, WordArt, then I'll grab the first one and I'll enter the name of the company. General Company Limited. So after typing it, just select the text box, then go to Text Effects under Drawing Tools. Make sure that you see Drawing Tools so that you go to Format. If the text box is not selected here, you wouldn't see Drawing Tools. So it is selected. I'll go to Text Effects. Now I'll go down to Transform, then choose Arc. Click on it so that our text will turn into an arc. So I want to further increase the arc. So I'll grab here. Make sure you see the two headed arrows like I'm seeing here. Then you click, hold down the mouse, then you drag down. Okay. So you see that the text is at the left side of the text box. So we just need to go to Home, then click on Center. Perfect. So I'll further drag it down. Okay, this is okay by me. Now I'll grab the text box from here. Make sure you see these four headed arrows. Click and hold down the mouse, then drag it inside here. Now I'll reduce the size from here to fit well. And I'll also reduce it from here, but make sure you take this thing up small, this yellow button up small, then you make space for the node here. Click and drag inside a bit. Alright. You see that this place and the circle, there's a gap, and the same applies here. So I want to drag it down further so that it will fit well. Okay. So I'll move the text a bit up using the arrow keys. So this is how I want. I'll click aside. Now, looking at this portion of the design, the line is sort of cut off. So to solve this problem, let's grab a line by going to Insert, then Shapes. I'll click on Line. Then I'll just draw a line here. Make sure it's in line with the existing one. Then I'll drop. I'll change the color of the line to black. Then the weight to 1.5. Okay, I can still see some break here, so I'll select the line back and I will use the arrow keys to position it well. Perfect. So we have created our simple logo using Shapes and WordArt. So this is how you can use Microsoft Office Word to create a simple logo. If you find value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Until then, peace.